Some of these wind gusts are so blowy. Look, it's over there. Parrots. It's just lots of wind. It comes and goes. It's been a while. The sheets are all blowing. The basket's on the ground. You definitely can't go walking out under these trees because things fall down and you can get injured quite badly. Look at this treetop swaying. Every little sway of that tree is a huge wind gust because those trees are big. That thing over there that's swaying is a hammock, and it has something glittery on it, and the dog gets distracted by that. Looks like a game. Wants to go over there and play with it, but it's just a swinging hammock of some kind.